What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
In ancient times, especially during the First and Second World Wars, they resorted to building secret underground bunkers, where soldiers dug them for the purpose of hiding or stockpiled ammunition there for food. And with the end of those wars, people forgot about it because they no longer needed it. But this does not prevent it from being discovered one day, as happened with this young British man. Some owners of old homes sometimes find strange things in their homes, especially if the house has been punished by many owners. The man named John Sense lives in Arizona, USA. After this man moved to live in the new house that he bought in the village, he discovered a strange scheme in the garage of the house when he was cleaning it. He was planning the house that he bought, but he noticed that there was a circle in the middle of the plan, which made him want to know the secret of that circle. When he visited the house, he found that there was no place for that seemingly hole. After the man looked at the plan over, he decided to know some details about that project, but he searched all over the guest and only found herbs. He invited one of his acquaintances, who's a specialist in mineral exploration, where he came to that place and brought a dedicated metal detector and began searching. John wanted to find out what was underground eagerly, which led him to start digging directly into the place where the device signaled that something was going underground. After a while, an iron cap appeared. John was disappointed when he found that metal cap, and he thought all his efforts were in a vacuum. But his friend ordered him to continue digging and completely remove the cap to see if there was something under it. Indeed, after the two had removed that iron cap, they found that there was a deep pit leading to somewhere underground. John's passion increased after that hole appeared, and he and his friend continued to dig until they reached the bottom of the hole, and there was a surprise. There was an iron ladder leading to a secret underground bunker. There was a room full of rubble, and it seemed she hadn't seen the light in several years. The man cleaned it well and removed all the debris. After the search, it became clear that the place was a secret cache of weapons, which the American Army dug during the Cold War in the 60s and 70s of the last century, in anticipation of any bombing by the Soviet Union. At that time, they deployed missiles in Cuba and were ready to attack in any moment. The man did not want to get overstretched in that spacious circular room and decided to make it a room for his house, where he rebuilt the stairs leading to it and then restored the entire room, where it finally appeared in a new suit. The man made a place for him to hide his personal belongings and sit there sometimes for tea or reading books, as he takes refuge in the winter when the weather's cold. The image of that secret hideout spread across the internet and was amazing, as the man became very famous and had many visitors who come from all places in America to see that place closely, as some of those who visited them said that just standing inside that room makes the special collection, until the 1960s and 1970s, where the atmosphere was tense between the communist and capitalist camps. John did not think that he'd find something important like this, for he wanted to discover the secret of that strange scheme from curiosity. But after going deeper into the search, he found an amazing thing that made him talk about the world and the private in the city that he lives, where then he became famous for becoming known throughout the United States is his home. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast